Hello and welcome friend. In this video I will tell you how can you use Kali Linux in your browser. So without waste time, let's get started. So I know you try to use in your window Kali Linux so many way, but I will tell you how can you use Kali Linux without download this software. So without waste time, let's get started. So just open your Chrome and just write here Lingjo. Okay, so just right here Lingjo and just enter, and then just click on the first link Lingzo, and just right here just click on the first link, and then just come here and account link. Okay, so then just log off it, and then just register for an account, and then click here. Okay, and then just paste, I just paste here email, and then just choose a password. To add this, I just choose password, and then that password, choose that again, and then pass, and this is my right name, then this as now write a name, and then just you can don't need to fill this form if you don't know. So then just choose just interest and just accept it, just register, and there you just click on yeah, just click on the join queue, and just choose here Kali Linux, choose the Kali Linux, and then just switch on it, and yeah, and it would take too much time, not too much, it's take for a while time. So just wait for let it complete. And today we will see Kali Linux, how can we use the Kali Linux in your browser. We just wait for a while because it will take for a little bit time, not too much time. Just wait. So then it's in a process. Yeah, boot process. It's going on, it's going on. Yeah. And now just click on the connect, and just click this link JavaScript VNC. Okay, click on the JavaScript VNC and just click on this link, and now you will reach a VPN. Okay, your VPN, virtual private network, and just here you just reach. Okay, you reach here Kali Linux. Just username just write username root, and just enter, and then just choose a password which name is Kali, and just enter. Okay, then yeah, so here we go friends. So you can see there we reached in a Kali Linux. Okay, then yeah, I think you shocked because after seeing this, it is Kali Linux and it is amazing, but so sorry for it, but I don't know how to use this Kali Linux, but it is a Kali Linux, and there is a command line, but I don't know how to use this Kali Linux, but it's Kali Linux. Okay, and it is a computer, and then just click on home, everything is there. So you can practice here if you don't want to use, and if you don't know how to use, so then you can practice here. And yeah friend, it's Kali Linux, and there's also a browser. Okay, secure browser and then its own browser, I think, and it is in a working condition. Yeah. Oh friend, okay, so then yeah, you just do it yourself, and yeah, and now it's time to just to disconnect, because I think I should show you also how can you use another operating system. Okay, so then just click on there and just click on disconnect. Okay, there are several type of feature setting, and this feature is full screen and this feature clipboard, and just click on the disconnect. Okay, then it will be disconnect, and just wait for a while. Yeah, and then just move on here and just click on control and just click on nice switch off. And there just choose, yeah, and then just choose another I will choose Microsoft Windows 7 62 yeah, 62-bit. Okay, and then just I will switch on it. Okay, so then yeah, and yeah, just wait for a while, and then you would see Windows 7 62-bit, not 62-bit, 64-bit. Yeah, okay, just it's going on, still it's going on, so wait for a while, and then yeah, wait, it's going on, and then you will shock after seeing the Windows 7, because Windows 7 I used to use when I was pursuing my institute. And just wait for a while. And my friends, I think you hope like this video, because it is very essential information for you and for everyone, because sometimes we just do some experiment in our laptop and we don't know what would happen. Okay, so it's okay, now it's time to connect. So just click on the VPN, JavaScript VNC, and then you would reach in a virtual private network by, yeah. So friend, just password just write here secure, and just press enter, and then welcome. Yeah friends, so you can see it is a Windows 7. And actually in my PC there is a window, don't need resize. Yeah, so in my PC it is a Windows 10, but I'm using the Windows 7. I'm totally confused, not for how can use, but yeah, there are several type of features. So now I can use a calculator, and also also I can, yeah, friends, and you can see there ki its calculator is also working in a working condition, as well as I can use, apart from calculator, I can use Paint, MS Paint. Okay, so then yeah friend, you can see there ki I can just make a shapes, and shapes is in a working conditions. Okay friends, so I hope you like this video, so just must like this video and just use it yourself.